This color, it's doing something for me. I can't lie. Hey y'all, Nell here today. I'm installing the Toyotress Yanky Twist in 8 inches and the color is T30. It's got that rich reddish tone that gives warmth without being too loud. The hair is pre-twisted, soft and bouncy, and you get 8 packs in the set. This is the braid pattern I use, nothing fancy, just functional. Small cornrows in the front for a natural look and larger ones in the back to save time. It kept everything flat and made the install easy. Now this install took a bit more time than usual, and I think it's because the hair is like, it kind of mimics like little tresses or little curls. So it's not as thick as other crochet hair that I'm used to, but I will say that the loops are super easy to work with. There isn't any tangling, no separating, no fuss. I went row by row and the hair blended in nicely. The twists were longer than expected, so I trimmed them down a bit and cut a few face framing layers to give it shape. I used all 8 packs, and honestly, I could have used a bit more for the fullness I wanted, but the length is perfect. It's cute, bouncy, and super easy to manage. And I had an idea. I started unraveling a few of the twists to disguise the gaps, and listen, it worked. The texture of this hair is so close to natural hair, it blends beautifully. That little tweak completely changed the look. I wore it in twists for a few days, but once my braids started loosening a bit, something told me to just untwist everything. Girl, if you do that, you do not need more than 8 packs. This hair gives volume when you let it breathe. If I knew it would look this full untwisted, I would have done my braid pattern differently from jump. But now I know. This is a hack and a really cute way to stretch the life of your install. Let me know in the comments if you rock this style unraveled or keep it twisted. What should I try next? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more protective styles.